Everyone to another Hbar update. Lucky for you guys, I did a weekend update and we were essentially showing a bullish scenario where we need to reclaim the moving averages to get this bullish continuation. This still remains the case. However, since the last update, we actually have formed a bearish cross and rejected this level as resistance. And now this is, you can see it as negative and a suggestion of bearish continuation, and that is actually correct. But we cannot just focus on the moving averages themselves. We need to look at every single other aspect of TA. We're not just relying on one single pointer. If we were, we would always be wrong. So we're looking at multiple things. For example, other key levels of supports and resistances. So we do see that the bearish cross has formed. We have confirmed it. We've got a bearish rejection from it, a bearish candlestick pattern called a shooting star. In fact, actually engulfing the previous. So a double bearish pattern, a bearish engulfing and a shooting star, all at resistance, and you use this as a sell bias essentially. However, this sell bias is only going to take us to the next level of support, which is where we are at right now. So it's not really doing much because right now we're seeing a bullish signal invalidating the bearish one. So essentially guys, although we formed the bearish cross, this could actually be a signal that it's the end of the bearish trend rather than the very beginning. Why? Because when this is formed, we have pretty much already tested the 200 EMA. I know you can see with your own eyes it has not met, and that is correct. But if you learn about the 200 EMA, you know that we're just trying to find support reactions, bullish reactions above or on this point. Now there was a level of support above and another level of support above. We also had a level of support below, which is the 1272. So I mark out all those areas, including the 200 EMA as well. And so I know all the key levels on the chart at the moment. And so if we are coming in towards the 200 EMA, but actually starting to get a wick rejection, I need to try and find those supports that we're actually getting the bounce off of. So it would be 675 and 697. And so just slightly before we managed to actually come back down to the 200 EMA, we got a rejection off of the higher level of supports, showing that you don't actually need to get down to the 200 EMA. This is something that I've explained before on the channel and just seen thousands and thousands of times. And so we're given now this opportunity to invalidate this bearish trend or potential, because if we get that bearish cross, it's a signal we want to continue lower. However, because we already had that bottoming reaction and we're coming back up into the moving averages and trying to invalidate any further downside, we actually need to reject this point at first, and then it just forces that bearish cross. So yes, people will now assume it's just going down, but this is not the case, as we have all these levels of supports protecting us at the moment. So if we can maintain where we are holding right now, which is this wick sitting at 722 cents and 697 cents, then this is just being used as support. We've just fallen back down into it over the past week or so, trying to break through the moving averages, which is not what we usually do on the first attempt. Equally, when we came down, we rejected it and then pushed through. So if we're going to push through, we need to reject it, come back down, and then push through. So that's why it's vital right now to hold support above 697 and 722, and we will see a potential continuation, or that it will be given this opportunity to break through. And if it can take it, that is incredible. We then need to see the moving averages held as support, and 782 being taken out. Not the 782 fib or the 786 fib, but the 0.5 fib at 782 cent is vital to reclaim this level and flip in support for invalidation of all of these targets down below. We do not want to revisit 5 cent. The only way we fail to revisit 5 cent is a reclaim of 7.82 cent. Guys, that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Also, I just forgot to mention, I do have a giveaway at the moment. 5 followers away from one of the giveaways, 100 subscribers away from the other. We're trying to hit 2.5k on Twitter and 8k over here. And if you use the links down below and head over to my Twitter Right over here, you'll find all the giveaway requirements. Equally, during this period, if you head over to the course and mentorship section, we actually have multiple discounts at the moment, and you can find how many slots for each discount is available. So we do have 2 slots left on the 5 hours of one-to-one mentorship, which was once £400, and now currently, while we were waiting for our giveaway prizes to achievements to get met, we're going to be discounting all of these offers. So we will get my 5 hours of one-to-one help, actually my Discord included as well, and a free course included. So in my Discord, you'll be there for 2 months. Tuesday and Thursdays are our mentorship calls, and you'll find my huge portfolio in there as well. So yeah, check which option you want to go for. You can just do a single mentorship session, but it doesn't include anything else. To include anything, you need to go for a minimum of 3 hours of one-to-one mentorship, and you can see the price says $150. Now with the 3 hours, you get my course and 2 months in the chat, all for $150. And if we go over to the course, you're getting the 2 months in the chat and the course for £99. So for an extra £51, you're going to get 3 hours of my one-to-one help. So if you're interested, use the links down below. Take action through the website here. I know it says members. This is if you're a Discord channel member. Those can get, of course, they have all of these options at a much cheaper discount. Otherwise, message me on Twitter or use this website and take action while the slots are still available, guys. Cheers, everyone.